Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Crystal Lover Food. Sorry, my earphones keep dropping out. Anyways guys, today we are going to be eating okra stew that I made and fufu. This is plantain. I've got prawns and salted mackerel in the stew along with spinach. It is very hot. So let me just wash my hands. Thank you guys so much for joining me if you're new here. If you're not, you have to wash your hands just before. Get the hand wet. Let's pour this out. Let's get this. I made this myself, so it may not be perfect. I'm sorry, or for being culturally honestly, it is just too late. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I literally spent about an hour just trying to put this thing up behind me, and it still managed to be disrespectful and fall in my video. Okay, anyways guys, how you guys doing? Let's give you a close-up. Get into it. Ooh, that is so good. I made this yesterday. I was supposed to eat it, but I started to feel unwell, so I was like, let me just leave it. I know some people swallow, but I like to chew it. Hot. It's not as like gooey. It's a bit more sticky because I just made it with like boiled plantains. It's sweet though, sweet and nice. I used tin tomatoes as base with sweet peppers, and it just tastes so good. Honestly guys, I'm just enjoying my dinner and you guys are just watching me. I think the background's pretty creative, isn't it? This is the type of food I dream about. So good. If you're Caribbean or any other nationality that's not like African and you enjoy this food, just subscribe. Let's get some of that fish, some of that salted mackerel. My arms are hurting me. Damn. I think normally they use smoked mackerel, but I like the flavor of salted mackerel. And that means I don't need to add like too much extra seasoning to it because the salt mackerel is already very salty. For this, with fufu, I just boiled the plantain until they were soft and then blended it with some water. Then I put the dough in a plastic wrap and just let it set. It's not the proper texture. But I actually prefer this. This method. Over the package. But I think this whole thing is probably about 3 plantains. Oh my god. Comment down below if you guys made it this far. Tell me what you want me to eat next. Okra is so sweet. Sweet and nice and spicy. I think I just bit into a pepper. Mm. So good. Like, I don't understand people who don't eat other types of food other than their own culture. Like, you are just missing out so much. Excuse me. If you've made it this far, thank you. I appreciate you. You are why I'm doing this. I have to clean that baby up. Got bone. Last bite, guys. Thank you guys so much for Thank you guys so much for watching. It's been a delicious meal, and I'm glad I can share it with you. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.